Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Michelin Guide Restaurant 2019 in Singapore. So, for this restaurant today, here we have come to Zephron Kitchen, which is located near East Coast Park, somewhere in the east to the central. Okay, so now we ordered lamb biryani, butter chicken masala, and garlic naan. And now we're gonna try the lamb shank. They give you a lamb with the bone in and all the meat. Just wow, the meat literally just fall apart. I think this piece out. Look at how good the meat is. Get some rice. And everything is hot here. I'm gonna try the lamb first. Damn good The lamb is really
Oh, the smell is nice.
really tender. The rice have like small little onions and some spices. And this rice is like the Indian long grain rice. And then you can get some of their curry. I think this is one of their beef curry, I think. Or mutton. Oh sorry, mutton curry. Nah, I think it's just the normal vegetable curry. Then there's also the yogurt. Let's try some of the yogurt. Oh my god, looks so good.
Very nice.
And they give you one cracker. So dip it in this curry. This is the normal vegetable curry. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the butter chicken masala. They have huge chunk of chicken for you. I'm gonna take some, put on my plate. I'm gonna take one naan. I'm gonna tear like half a naan.
Dip some curry.
I'm gonna try the sauce first. Wow.
Try the chicken.
So easy. Get some sauce. Putting on the naan.
Smell.
Naan is so good. Naan is really good. The sauce with the naan itself is really so good. So going back to the food, I will rate this place, I would say a 8 out of 10 for the taste wise. For the value though, it's a bit on the pricey side for Michelin Guide restaurant. But then you must give it to the restaurant as this is actually a fine dining kind of restaurant as they charges For the briyani, it's lamb briyani is $25. The butter chicken is around $17.50, and the garlic naan is $5.20. So it total add up to around $56. So if you want to come here for a cheap meal, you might not get one. So I rate the worth it around 7, because they do give you a big portion of rice and curry, and the naan is actually quite filling. If you do not like briyani or even the naan or the butter chicken, there's many other options as well, like roti, prata, and they even have other meat, including the vegetarian curries and so on and so forth.